All right, here is my horse and sleigh card using some wobbles to make the horse trot along the way in the snow. And this is using the online exclusive Horse and Sleigh bundle along with the One Horse Sleigh Designer Series paper, which comes in 6x6 and has all of these awesome scenes and designs that you can use. So for this card, I did pick a scene. I liked the snowy trees in the background, so I chose that. This card's pretty simple. You're gonna stamp and die cut the sleigh and horse, and then you're gonna cut out some of the snow. We're just gonna adhere the DSP to the card base, and then we'll add some snow, color the horse, and then we'll add some wobbles. So now I'm gonna do a really simple coloring. I'm going to color the sleigh and the clothing in Pool Party, and then the horse in Smoky Slate. And I'm just gonna do a little bit and then use the color lifter to blend it in so we have a white horse. And so the color lifter just blends the gray into the white and gives the horse some shadowing. Next, I'm going to use some of these wobbles. You can get these online on Amazon. I have a link on my page, and I'll put the link on the description and on my blog as well. So we just add the wobbles, and that's it. Our fun wobble horse and sleigh card. Receive this card kit when you purchase $50 for just $5 shipping. Email me, let me know that you would like this kit, and I will ship it right out to you.